Today we learn how to integrate these scenarios. You can check one by one. Here we are getting traffic, a lot of traffic from Pinterest to our blogs like this. First step, we have to fetch the boards IDs that are required in integrating sharing our Pinterest pins. First step, we have to fetch the boards. Change the things here. This boards IDs we automatically print here. So we will run one thing. Here is the number of boards in your profile. This value should be greater than your number of total boards. For example, here are total boards. These are, in my case, there are more than 60, so that I will put 100 here. So we run here. All the boards are now here. Now in the main sheet, here is the Pinterest sheet. We will put here some boards. Next step, to fetch the links from Etsy. There are two ways to bring links. We can put manually links here, or we will fetch automatically from Etsy store. So we will fetch this one. Here you can set limit more than your total number of Etsy links, Etsy products. Nothing change anything else. Everything is setting okay. So we will run this one. Here are listing we will get. All the listing are available here. We can copy paste here. Copy to this. Here pin title will generate automatically, and here board name is board IDs that we generated previous. We will copy paste here. Here we, in our case, we will put JV Digital, this one board. We have put here because all these belongs to Etsy. Then JV Digital Store is my shop name. Here from this first image will Pinterest post in JV Digital board. Here is the board. Here is JV Digital board. In this board we will get. Now this also we will close. After that, I want to publish some images for this article. Any link, any business you can promote on here. I will put this. Put here. There are 11 from these are images you can put here in Google Drive. Okay. Now from these are 11 total posts. So we will put 11 times. Here we will put link. We will generate the links here automatically. Here is more than 11. We will put 15. The number of here is greater, should be greater than the total number of images in the Google Drive folder. Keep in mind, here is the board ID. You can choose the board from here. Here is board. Then this is American Celebrities. Here is American Celebrities in the folder. This folder you select. Then you put here also Google Drive folder name. You can like this double click, then this double click, paste over here. Anything else, do not change anything else. Now here link are, these links are required for imaging. Copy from here, paste source image here. Here you can put tag American Celebrity. Here you put link here, this one. This here we want to post another board. In this board I will put in this board American celebrities. So select I board, another board American celebrities, American celebrities with two boards and with IDs. Next we will test this one from this one. Anything you should select like this, everything like this. Should place your prompt here according to your business. You have to only just copy paste this one. If or you can change your business here, only here. This one everything okay, no need to change. Here is file will be updated which are posting. Now I will post. This one posted one image in GV Digital. This one. Refresh. That's we will some more posts. These are posted. These are created by AI, and these are description created by that we are using here status posted. Then this is going every time movement, and once you have a lot of, for example, 200 or 300 posts, then you want to post again, just remove this one and this will be again posted in the relevant folder. You make tweaks also after that. Once these are published, then this folder will start. So we will continue to make more posts. These are from fetched automatically from everything from Etsy. Here you check Etsy. These products are in my Etsy store. You can check everything working okay. Here is product. Okay. All these posts are posted here. The next is we will check for another board. Run again. Run again. Here this in American celebrities. This model is published. So you may check the everything like this to make sheet to continue to more post with no time.